Hello, this is Paul from ReviewOutlaw.com. I have a 22 kW. This one here is a Generac and air cooled. Now, one of the things when this thing gets older is you got to switch out the battery. They say every 3 years just about. But sometimes if you get an overcranking error, it can't turn it over fast enough, and you get overcranking error. So you change out the battery and you notice that it comes back. One of the things about this model in particular is, like I said, this is 22 kW propane. I have the propane tanks there. There's a real irritating thing about it, and I mean, everyone knows me, knows I'm calm, cool, and collective, never have a fit. But this thing makes you just want to rip it out and throw it across the yard. When you go to fit the battery in, and it has to be the positive that way for it to even fit. You got to fit it in. If this thing is in here, this is a diverter that diverts air from the fan up and out in front here, and there's two bolts, one here and one here. Just take these two bolts out so this thing's loosey-goosey, and you'll be able to get the old one out much easier. You have to put that back because it's a diverter, and the fan you can kind of see in there. But when you are trying to get this out, and this is sitting here, and the battery is under this, and it's a nightmare. So again, if you're getting the overcranking error, check the battery, make sure it doesn't have to be replaced on this, and just take those two bolts out. This thing bolts just like this, and leave it loose when you put the other one in, and then put the two bolts back, and it's going to make your life a lot easier changing out the battery. And again, if you have any questions, just leave in the comments. Thank you. Bye.
ReviewOutlaw.com. New videos every Thursday at 3 p.m. Subscribe today.
Okay, so we switched up the battery, put everything back together. As you can see, I got it all back together, put the two things in, put that piece back on. Like I said, it's just two bolts, but the way it goes under the battery like this is really hard to change. Make sure your terminals are connected, and we're gonna cross our fingers now and hope that this fixes the overcranking, because what ends up happening is I put it on and it shuts right off seeing overcranking. So we'll go to manual and see if it just how she starts. Before it would start up, it would just try to start, it wouldn't start. That started immediately. So it was the battery. And when it cranks too many times, it doesn't start, you get that overcranking error. So that you've seen the tricks that whenever you switch out the battery, you either go into the little computer or the table to the next battery. It's sure you disconnected it, just go in there and you hit enter, checking it off, and you're all set. Your thing runs fine.
Hey, I really appreciate you watching this video. If you have time, please give me a thumbs up, share the video on Facebook or social media, click that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that bell icon next to the subscribe button so you get a notification when new videos come out. Finally, if you leave me a comment, I love those. Really appreciate it. Have a great day, guys.